In this video, we are going to see Gajendra Moksha, that is Dasaga 26th of Narayaniyam. Gajendra Moksha, that is the liberation of Gajendra, is described in the 8th skanda of Bhagavata Purana. Sriman Bhattadari has condensed this as Dasaga 26th. The legend is Gajendra in his previous life was Indradyumna, a great king who was devoted to Vishnu. One day, Agastya, a great rishi, came to visit the king. But Indradyumna remained seated, not getting up to receive the sage with due respect. Agastya was irate and noticed that the mighty king, despite the greatness of his good deeds, still had traces of ahankara or egoism, and he revealed to the king that in his next birth he would be born as an elephant, and in that form he would learn the hard way that the self must be renounced and surrendered to the Lord. The crocodile in its previous birth had been a Gandharva king called Huhu. The sage Devala came to visit the king, and when the two of them were bathing and Devala was offering prayers to Surya, the king pulled the sage's leg for fun. The sage was furious and cursed the king to become a crocodile in his next life. The repentant king begged the sage's pardon. Devala explained that he could not reverse the curse. He blessed Huhu that Vishnu would slay the crocodile and liberate him from the cycle of birth and death. The tale of Gajendra is an integral theme and has great symbolic value. Gajendra is the man, the crocodile is sin, and the muddy water of the lake is samsara. The symbolic meaning of Gajendra Moksha is that materialistic desires, ignorance, and sins create an endless chain of karma in this world and are similar to a crocodile preying upon a helpless elephant stuck in a muddy pond. Humans are thus stuck in a continuous cycle of death and rebirth until the day when they can look beyond everything in this creation and ultimately submit themselves to the Supreme Being. Now, we will see the slogas of Narayaniyam on Gajendra Moksha. In Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Shri Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Sloga 1. Indradyumna Pandyaghandadirajaha Twadbhaktatma Chandanadrau Kadajit Twalsevayam Magnadhiraluloke Naivagastyam Praptamadityagamam. Kadachit, once upon a time, Indradyumna, the king, Pandyakhanda Adirajaha, the king of Pandya land, Tvad Bhakta Atma, and a great devotee of you, Tvad Sevaya Magnadihi, entirely absorbed in your worship, Chandanadrau, on Malaya mountain, Aluloge na eva, did not even notice Agasthyam Praptam, sage Agastya approaching, Aditya Kamam, who was expecting hospitality. Meaning, Indradyumna, your great devotee and the king of Pandya land, was once engrossed in worshipping you on the Malaya mountain. He was so absorbed that he did not even notice sage Agastya, who approached expecting hospitality from the king. Next sloga. Kumbodbhudis samprida krodhabaraha stabdatma tvam hastibhuyam bhajedi saptvathainam pratyagatso bilebe hastindratvam tvalsmridirvyaktithanyam. Kumbodbudhi Agastya Sambrida Krodabaraha, who was overcome with anger, Stabda Atmatvam, said, "You of such haughty nature, Hastibuyam Bhaja Idi, be born as an elephant." Shaptva Atha Enam, thus cursing him, Pratyagada departed. Sa Abhilebe, he also got Hastindratvam, the form of a lordly elephant. Twadasmriti Vyakti Dhanyam, with the good fortune of retaining a clear memory of thee. Meaning, Agastya, who was overcome with anger, cursed the king that he was of such haughty nature and he would be born as an elephant, and departed. Indradyumna got the form of a lordly elephant with the good fortune of retaining a clear memory of thee. The next sloka. दुग्धाम्भोदेर्मध्यभाजित्रिकूटे क्रीडन् शैले यूथपोऽयं वचाभिः सर्वान् जन्तूनत्यवर्तिष्ठशक्त्या त्वद्भक्तानां कुत्र नोत्कर्षलाभः. Dugdha Ambode Madhyabhaji, of the ocean's middle part, Trigude Kridan Shaile, on the Triguda mountain. Yudhabaha Ayam Vashabihi, that is sporting as the leader of the elephants with female elephants. Sarvan Jandun Atyavartishta, excelling all creatures Shaktya, in strength. Tvad Bhaktanam, for your devotees, Kutra na Ulkarshalabaha, where not they inherit greatness. That is the meaning. On the Trikuta mountain, which is the center of the milk ocean, this leader of the elephants sported with female elephants, excelling all other creatures in strength. Here Bhattasiddhi says, were not thy devotees attain superiority, meaning that your devotees will be superior wherever they are. Next sloka. Swena swemna divya deshatva shaktya soyam khedana prajanan kadajid shaila prande karmadandas sarasyam yuthai sardam tvalpranunno bhireme. Swena stemna, on his strength, divya deshat shaktya, and by the power of that divine region, Sa Ayam, that elephant king, Kedan Aprajanan, was not knowing any difficulties of life. Kadachid, one day when roaming around, Shaila Prande, in the slopes of the hills, Dharmadantaha, overwhelmed by the sun's heat, Abhideme Sarasyam Yudhaihi Sardam, sported in a lake with his herds. Tad Pranunna, that is also prompted by you, meaning owing to his strength and by the power of the divine region where he lived, the elephant king did not face any hardships of life. One day, roaming on the mountain region, unable to bear the heat of the sun, he sought relief in a lake and sported therein with his herds, indeed prompted by you. Next sloka. Hu stavad devalasya bishabade grahi budastajjale vartamanaha jagrahainam hastinam padadeshe shandyartam hi srandidosi swaganam. Hu is a Gandharva. Devalasya Abhishabal, by sage of Devala's curse, by sage Devala, also Grahi Budaha, having become a crocodile, Tajjale Vartamanaha. He was living in the same waters in the lake. Jagraha Enam Hastinam. He caught this elephant Pada Deshe by the leg. Shandidaha Asi Swaganam. Though give sufferings to thy devotees, Shanti Artham He, for the welfare only. Meaning, at that time, in the waters of that lake, there lived a Gandharva named Huhu, who had become a crocodile because of the curse of sage Devala. He caught the elephant king by the leg. Indeed, Guru Ayappa, you do give sufferings to the devotees for their ultimate welfare only. Hari Guru Ayappa. With this, the fifth sloka of Dasaga 26 is completed. To end this video, we will go to the Gajendra Stuti sloka here. Om Namo Namaste Khilakaranaya Nishkaranaya Adbhutakaranaya Sarvagamamnaya Mahanavaya Namopavargaya Parayanaya. Om.